So, okay guys, first thing right? Group Lepila, as you know, from grade 11, already Baba 12, right? You know where we can name this site what? A, rather this site A, right? And then I name this site what? Small letter D. Again, and name this site C. This site goes from A to D, right? Okay. So let's continue. Okay, guys, the first thing that we can do, the first thing that we can try to do here, guys, right? To construct, guys, to do a construction, because construction, guys, can to sang who divide this triangle. So we're gonna value triangles A2, and then we're gonna guy from there, right? So we can construct, and after the constructor, guys, we can name this side, this line, maybe letter H, right? We can call it height, okay? Or we can call it anything we want, guys. Height, or can say your name, okay? Any letter that you love. Okay, let's continue. So, guys, as you can see, another height, right? So, the first thing that you can try to do, go find the height you are not in, right? Because as you know, from A to C, D, from C to D, A, from A to D, it's C, right? So, I want HA, right? What do we have? We have A here, right? And then we have this side, D, hypotenuse, right? And then for your now, this A is what? Opposite. And then this one is what? Hypotenuse. Again? So, what hypotenuse link le opposite. Kifoing is a sign. Remember, guys, it's soccer. So, right? So, opposite the hypotenuse. So, one. So, what you can use what sign, right? The sign of sign A, like what? Opposite, it's H, this H, and then hypotenuse, small letter D, right? From here you can do what? You can cross multiply. So it's over what? D sin A H, right? Okay, cool. So what do you have here? For H, lead D sin A. D sin A, right? Okay. Or guys, if how about we create this triangle, you can use which triangle? This one, right? So pillar here we used, okay, from triangle in triangle, okay, let's say this one, let's say here okay, E, let me just say it's E, right? So in triangle A C E, right? So in triangle ACE, regular H lead D sin A, right? Okay, so let's check in triangle CDE, in triangle CDE, right? D, so it's opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So it's what? Sin D also opposite H over hypotenuse, it's A. We can do what? We can cross multiply, right? So H again, A, the sin of D. Okay, so regular H, okay, A sin D. Okay, guys, don't worry for English, guys. Okay, but let's continue. So pillar what? Check this out, right? Literal in triangle ACE, H and D sin of A, right? And then in triangle CED, h le what le a sine of what of d. And if I check guys, h le h, right? So we can conclude if h le h, can conclude by saying d sine a le a sine d. Reason na gore h height guys, h ya teng le h ya teng, like guys, right? So we have what? We have d sine a le a sine d, right? So can do this guys, can take d from here and then come ratsa a, right? And then ratsa d ratsa a, right? So we're going to divide the pila because both side. So that d you can say da rasala sine a over a, and then a cancel a rasala sine d over d. So guys, reproving, we have proved guys, reproving guys, yes.